So how was your day today?
Sorry?
How was your day today?
It was fine.
It's fine?
Yeah.
So you went to Taliban, right?
Yeah.
You
I
put...
didn't stay long.
Okay.
I put the dogs. The weather wasn't that certain,
So you're just doing...
so I came back.
in
with
the
dogs.
in the motorcycle, right?
Yeah, I went on the bike.
Okay. Yeah, so it's been a long day for both of us. You know. So Terence went to Taliban, and then after that, she come back again to Taliban. So what you asked me what I'm doing today?
Oh, you're making a video?
Yeah.
Well, I already asked you, but you apparently had a bad day, and you gave
No.
me a little bit of tempo.
No, I left here around 7 o'clock, right? I left here 7 o'clock. And then I waited for the van or the bus, and then the van came in. I ride the van, and then it found out that the van is only up to Hitafe. So we transport to another van in Hitafe. You know, so it's just, I think we're waiting for 30 minutes before the van go.
In a taffy.
Yeah, from Hitafe. And then we
Is it still Fiesta down there?
no, it's not Fiesta, finished now. But because we have a waiting period, so finally we left around 8:10, and my appointment is 8:30, right? So I went to Buena Vista to meet the uncle and auntie of the buyer.
What time did you get there?
I arrived there around 8 something, 8:20 something. So we're waiting, and then after that they arrive around 9, I think 9 something, or 9:30. And then we ride their tricycle, right? Because I didn't drive my motorcycle, especially if it's rough road. I don't trust myself on it.
Well, you left your motorcycle here.
Yeah, I left my motorcycle
I
down
saw
the
it.
road, right? So now we ride a tricycle, and it's banging, because it's rough road. So when I arrive here home, I said that my back is so aching, my head is so aching.
No, you didn't say anything actually. You came in and sat down as if you were in the wrong place.
Yeah, just my head until now. So I put what I did usually is we have a T-shirt in the freezer, so that if I need that, I can just put it in my head.
You have to translate that for normal Earth people.
So
won't know what it means to have a T-shirt in the freezer.
We wet the T-shirt and then put it in the freezer, so it looks like an ice.
So that you can put it on the forehead like
Yeah,
this.
forehead.
Yes, that will probably make sense now.
So from Danao, from Buena Vista to Danao to Daguhoy, then back to Clarin. It's a long drive in a tricycle. And then after that, when we arrive at the end of Clarin, I think in Abanga or Clarin, I waited for the bus. And then it's been raining, and it takes me, I think, 30 minutes to wait for the bus. You know, so because it's been raining, the bus is closed. The window is not open, and it makes it makes me dizzy, and that's why I hated.
It didn't make the van slow though, did it?
No.
Nothing on earth can make that.
That's why I tried to avoid van because it's
slow.
closed.
Sorry, if I could just finish my sentence. Nothing on earth will make those drivers of the vans drive slow. They don't know what it means.
Yeah.
Now, your turn.
So finally I arrived here 3. So 7 to 3. I left here 7, and I came home 3 o'clock with my headache.
With your headache.
Yeah. But I hope I could. So far, it seems like it's good feedback. We just wait for the documents. Let's pray for the best on that transactions. You know. And then I need to cook.
What's happened about my camera?
Your camera is ready to get.
You didn't think to tell me that?
I just read a message now.
What?
I just read a message.
When?
Just now.
Just now. I think that's
the repair. Is 3,000.
The repair is what? 3,000.
3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. And then the battery is 1,000. I forgot that. How much that? 1,600 something. I forgot where's the
And is that
message.
minus the 450 we already
Yes,
paid?
we need to minus. Yeah, the repair is 3,2 and the battery is 1,650.
3,2
Yeah, and the battery is 650. 1,650.
minus 450.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Well, I'm asking you, but you're not
Minus,
really.
minus.
Minus.
Less.
So, it's 3,002 plus 650.
1,650.
All right, 1,650.
Minus 450. Okay? Got it.